kita siya talaga. Ang laki na niya wala siyang flowers. Buti pa yung nandun at maliit, may flowers siya. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I have a culantro here. My plant culantro is not a cilantro. They are not the same. This one we call it culantro, and the cilantro is not the same, but same species. Yeah, this one can have a lot of benefits. Can use also for the diabetic, and can use for tea like that. So maganda po ito para sa may mga diabetic. Yan. Constipation sa mga may fever, ganun. Pwede po itong gamitin. Yan. Madali lang po siyang buhayin at namumulaklak po siya. And then yung bulaklak po niya, maano na lang yan, mahuhulog, and then mabubuhay na po siya. So ganyan po siya kadaling buhayin. Yung flowers po niya napabayaan namin, and then nagkalat-kalat po doon sa may garden ko. So ayan po siya. Dito ko siya nilagay para makita siya ng maigi. Seeds po niya, may mga may parang tusok-tusok po siya. Ayan. Nilalagay din po ito sa salad. Ayan. Kita po yung kanyang tusok sa may gilid-gilid ng dahon. At the edges of the leaves got torn. The small torn. That one is very strong. Yeah. Yeah. Can feel the torn is strong. And the smell also is very strong. Yan. Ito po, if you touch the leaves, you can smell ready what smell she have. Yeah. Yeah. Can smell ready. And then if you cut the leaves, you can smell very, very strong the smell. So this one is, they call it culantro. I have to check the seeds because last time she gave a flowers and then the seeds fly away, and then I never check the seeds how big or how small is the seeds. So I need to check because culantro, ang alam namin sa culantro is ginagamit yun sa mga may sakit talaga, pinampapaligo, and then nilalagyan po yun ng oil, and then pinapahid po sa katawan ng bata. Yun po yung alam ko sa culantro. But then according to Google, I searched that this one is a culantro. So I need to check the seeds if the culantro in Philippines is the same to the seeds of this one, because this one they call it culantro. But then the coriander is same to the seeds of the culantro. So I'm so confused. Oh, where is came from the culantro seeds in Philippines? Yeah, because the culantro seeds in Philippines, we use it for, we put oil and then we massage to the body of the baby. That one is yung nakasanayan sa mga Pilipino na nanganganak sa bahay. Yun po yung ginagamit is culantro. We call it culantro. And then, so I'm confused. What is the seeds use of this culantro? Because I searched it, culantro and cilantro is not the same. So, but then the culantro in Philippines, we call it culantro. And then the seeds is not. Culantro is came from coriander. The seeds of coriander is, we call it culantro. So I'm so confused of that. So I need to observe the seeds of this one. I have one got a seeds. I got a flowers but not yet bloom. So I need to check it. Let's see my culantro plant that gives flower. Tara, tignan natin. Ayan. So ito po siya, yung culantro. So ito po yung magiging flowers niya. Ayan. Mahaba po yan eh. Mahaba po yung kanyang flowers. And then, pinabayaan na po namin kasi hindi ko na dahil parang hindi naman ako interesado. But then, pagka-search ko sa Google, very interesting pala kasi nalito talaga ako doon sa culantro at cilantro. So, ayan po yan. Ito lalaki po yan. Nandito po sa may box nakatanim. Kasi nga, yung dating tanim namin noon is lumipad lahat yung mga flowers niya. So, nagkalat po sila. Napakadali pong mabuhay kung saan-saan po nabubuhay yan. Kung saan lumipad yung kanyang seeds, doon na din po nabubuhay sa may lupa. So, ayan po. Ayan. Pero, medyo matagal pa po ito bago lumaki, bago magkaroon ng flowers. Ayan siya. So, aantayin ko po ito. I'm waiting for this so that I can observe if what seeds she have, if big or small. Yeah. So, that's it. My other plant in the pot is very big ready but no flowers yet. This one is still small, got flowers. Yeah, the flowers come out. But this one grow bigger, grow longer. The flowers, the branch of the flowers very longer, very big. Yeah. So that is the topic for now. About cilantro and culantro. Sorry, cilantro is a coriander. Coriander, yeah, tama. Wangsoy kung tawagin sa Chinese.